Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today we'll discuss about email marketing. What email marketing is, how email marketing works, what are the different tools or software that we can use in email marketing, and what are the different types of email marketing process or methodologies that we have got. Now let's get started with it. What is email marketing? Email marketing basically means using emails as a marketing tool to disseminate high quality information on the products, services or solutions of your business to the intended customers and audience so that they can read, check it out and generate business for you. This is basically what email marketing is all about. How email marketing actually works? Email marketing is sent to in bulk to collectively to the intended audience and the customers. Emails can be sent from a source email ID, and emails actually can also be sent through specialized exclusive softwares or autoresponders who can actually help you in generating the kind of customer base for you so that you can build a database of your intended customers. Autoresponders allow you to track the results as well. If you are a big business and if you have a lot of email IDs that you want to send emails to, specialized softwares and autoresponders help you lot immensely in actually sending emails to you. That can be, the entire process can be automated through the autoresponder softwares. How the types of email marketing? There are two different types of email marketing. One is solicited email marketing, the second is unsolicited email marketing. Now what is the difference between solicited email marketing and unsolicited email marketing? Solicited email marketing is actually a process where the user or the visitor to the site has requested to get some information from you, and they leave their name and email ID on your website, on the blog or anywhere on social media so that you can send them emails. Basically it means the user is requesting from your company to send some more information to you, to them, as far as your products and services are concerned. It means the user is giving their consent to receive emails from you. This is solicited emails. Unsolicited emails is something we could pick up email IDs from somewhere and we actually send them emails wherein the user has not requested to receive such emails from you. That is unsolicited emails. Now, the biggest difference between these two is solicited emails are whitelisted, unsolicited emails more often than not will end in spam and junk box, which is not recommended. Send emails to those who have asked for the emails to be sent, those who have requested for the emails to be sent. They actually go into their inbox and they read it, they click on the links, they come to your website or to the landing page, and that is how you generate leads leading to customers. Unsolicited mails will not work and that should be completely avoided. That is basically what the two types of email marketing are: solicited email, unsolicited email. Now, how the email process works? You define what you want to send, the kind of information that you want to send, you design the template. Then after you completely design the email that you want to send to the intended audience, you need to test the emails before you actually send it to the intended customers. You can test it by sending emails to you on different browsers. More often than not, what we see is different users have different browsers. They view it in different systems. It could be laptop, it could be desktop, it could be even a smartphone. You need to test the emails that you send to the intended users on different platforms, different browsers, different machines, so that the email actually looks consistent and appears well. Then you actually send the emails. After sending the emails, you need to measure how the email that you are sending are performing. These softwares and autoresponders help you in actually analyzing whether the user, after opening the email, whether they are clicking on the link or not, whether they are coming to the website or not. When they come to the website, how much time they are spending. Entire process can be tracked through the autoresponder. Autoresponder will tell you whether the user has opened the email and clicked on the link, and the analytics on the website will tell you how much time the user is spending on the website. The entire things need to be measured, and you can generate reports based on the user behavior to the kind of email campaigning that you are running, so that you can take corrective measures to improve your email marketing campaign. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is email marketing, how email marketing works, different types of email marketing, and email marketing process. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.